Hello guys, and welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video, and as you can see from the title, welcome to the battle of the concealers. In this video we're going to test or compare or try or everything together, like two concealers. One is the old one in market like few years ago, yeah, and it's most lovable and most most hyped concealer on market at the moment when we speak about drugstore makeup. So it's famous Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Effect. It's first one, and next one is, and I love it, I just need to say that, and I use it like few years now and I love it. And next one, the Natio or Natio makeup, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, this brand, just get out with a new concealer, and it's basically same packaging as Maybelline New York, and I get idea to compare these two products because they're very similar. So yeah, I can show you both side by side, so they look pretty much similar with the different colors and slightly different shape of the bottle. But yeah, so we're going to test those two concealers. Well, we are going to test this one, but compare with this one because they look really similar. So yeah, so Maybelline versus Natio or Natio or Natio. Okay, so I wanna tell something about these concealers. So on the bottle it's like, yeah, difference between bottles is Maybelline bottle have like a little bit slight like damp I don't know, like slightly like curve here, and the Natio concealer is like straight bottle. They both have like these cushions on the top, or sponges, and it's pretty much similar shape too. The Natio one have like slightly, I can show you if you want to see, like slightly like a bowl, so slightly rounder shape than this one. This one like have like half a bowl. Yeah, so that's the difference in like on the first side, and on the first side, and this one, the bottle of Natio concealer seems slightly bigger than this one, and when you compare it like this, yeah, bottle definitely is slightly bigger. But okay, next thing is this called like Natio Under Eye Cushion Concealer, covers dark circle, brightness, eye area. Have 7 milliliters or 0.2 fluid ounces. I think that's the correct term. And this one, cover makeup concealer. What can I say about? Okay, this is 6.8 milliliters, and so yeah, definitely slightly less product and slightly smaller bottle than the Natio, like 0.2 milliliters. It's different between those two concealers, and yeah. Can I say something else? No. The age of mine is in the color light, number 01, and this one doesn't have colors, because they get out on market just one shade. So there is no number, there is no color, so only this shade, and that's it. So yeah, let's begin. Oh, before we start applying, because I already have foundation and I need to put concealer and then the rest of the makeup, before we go on that part of the tutorial, I just wanna slightly read something about concealers that I found on their official websites, and I have a trouble finding Maybelline instant anti-age effect. I mean, it's the same thing when you translate, but still different in writing. So this one that I have, it's like instant anti-age effect, and that concealer does not exist in under this name in Maybelline official site. So in their official site there is instant age rewind. So it's the same basically, but not same. So yeah, super concentrated, super radiant, instantly erase dark circle, cover up puffy eyes and hide fine lines. Instantly circle the eye area appear radiant and refreshed in no time. This concealer for dark circles and fine lines instantly creates a radiant, refreshed looking eye area infused with goji berry and haloxyl. Packaging may vary, what you receive may not be what is reflected on site. And now how to use and apply, and that's it. And for the Natio concealer, we have an innovative cushion applicator concealer with a light and velvet soft formula to even out the complexion, blur imperfection and conceal under eye darkness or puffiness. Blends easily into skin, available in one shade to suit most skin tone. So yeah, that's it. What have I found? And this one is retail $17.95 Australian dollars, and the age wine is $9.99 Australian dollars, I think, or American dollars. Oh, it's American site, so American dollars, I think. I'm not sure, but this one is $10 and this one is almost $20, so it's a double price for Natio, even though, okay, we shall see. So yeah, that's it. Let's begin applying our concealers on the face. First, on the left side of my face, I'm going to apply Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Effect. And we are going to twist a little bit. Come on, come on. And I hope the shades are going to be like similar. So yeah, let's begin. So I'm going to put a little bit concealer under the eye and this part of the forehead, and that's it. Maybe in this side of the nose. Let's try it. And that's it. So on the right side of my face, I'm going to use it like a twist off, yeah. So let's try it. Don't tell me it's broke. Oh, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's a dark color. Well, this color is almost like my foundation color, so no brightening up with this concealer, but Okay, we shall see. We are done. Now we are going to blend that to concealers. So now we're going to blend that with the sponge, damp sponge, and let's begin. So this concealer I really love, and I'm already familiar how it works and how behave on skin. And voila, we are now officially blend the left side with concealer. Now we're going to do right side. What just happened with this concealer? I don't know if you can see, guys. I'm going to get the camera a little bit closer. So, come on! So I think when I blend the concealer, Natio concealer, with the damp sponge, it's remove my whole foundation. It's basically behave like makeup remover. And from nose also, so I stayed without coverage, without concealer and without foundation. Or maybe I have as a foundation I have my Revlon Color Stay foundation, and I love that foundation and never done this before with any other concealer, just with this one. So maybe because the I think it's mineral makeup brand, and maybe not work good with other. Yeah, definitely it's a disaster. But let's try a little bit more to see if we can do something. And I really applied like a lot of products. And let's begin again. Okay, now it's a little bit better. Little bit better. But still this is too dark shade for my skin tone. And I think the people with a fair skin can't use this product because it's too dark. I mean, they can use it like maybe foundation all over the face, but like under eye concealer and brightening the under eye area, it's not usable for that purpose. So yeah, and this Maybelline like give matte effect, I think, and this part is like hydration, like hydrated and like shiny and like almost oily. Yeah, and I think I'm not going to do like full face because obviously it's not going to look like anything. And I really don't love this product. And I get to conclusion that I tried few different things from Natio brand and I didn't like any of these products, so I think I'm finished with this brand in the future, because everything that I bought, it's like, except brush, I need to say, brush is, I love the brush. So Natio, this brush, like double-sided brush, I love this brush, so maybe I should try with that brush to apply the concealer, but either way, I don't like it. even though when I look at it now, it's slightly better. But yeah, you can't use it for the brightening up. Maybe someone who have like a dark skin, this is going to be like contrast, create contrast under the eyes. So yeah, the dark skin people can use this like to brighten up under eye area. But to conceal the puffiness and dark circles under the eyes, no way. It's too lightweight and too like coverage is like minimal. It's like more natural than you can cover everything else. So and that's it, guys. The winner is Maybelline Anti-Age Effect or Age Rewind Concealer. So yeah, sorry Natio, but you didn't do a good job with this concealer. I mean, it's a good intentions, but bad job. So yeah, that's it. I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you do, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, and press the bell under this video to inform you my next videos. And yeah, love you.